Goldberg.
Good to see there's not a lot of traffic out there right now.
Yeah.
Because
I think that's a good thing, no doubt. Yeah, you know, I saw a lot of cars driving around earlier with still snow on the roof of the car and even on the windows. Folks, please clear off your car, especially tomorrow morning, because that snow that's there now is going to turn into ice, and that can become a projectile that flies into the view of somebody else that's driving down the road. So please use extra caution when traveling out and about tomorrow morning. Storm system is now gone. Here comes high pressure. That's going to bring us sunshine and gradually moderating temperatures over the next couple of days, but not tonight. We're dropping down into the teens region-wide. Skies are clear outside right now. Temperature-wise, we're in the 20s, 25 downtown, 24 out in Midlothian and Mechanicsville. Ashland, that's a popular number. Lower 20s down in Chester right now. Officially 28 at the airport. The breeze coming in out of the north at 12 miles an hour. That makes it feel like 18 degrees. That 52 degrees, that occurred during the wee hours of the morning as temperatures tumbled this morning. The rain became heavy sleet and then eventually snow. And look at the liquid total. Pretty impressive, 1.64 at the airport. Officially 2 inches of snow fell out at the airport. On the east side, about 1 inch snow depth right now. But of course, folks watching to the west and north, there was a lot more that will become ice overnight tonight as our temperatures tumble into the teens. The one exception right along the northern neck down through the middle peninsula along the coast where readings will stay in the 20s. Highs tomorrow around 40 in the metro. Many places, especially with the significant snow cover, will stay in the 30s during our Tuesday. We'll warm up a bit Wednesday and Thursday. Then another shot of chilly air arrives for the end of the week before temperatures moderate to near what's normal for this time of the year over the weekend. So the cold is here now. Lets up a little bit through the midweek period. Here's the next batch of cold by Wednesday developing across the Great Lakes. That sags south and east behind a system that'll bring a little rain to snow Thursday night into Friday. That will depart over the weekend, and yet another shot of cold air. It's January after all, coming into town early next week. So overnight tonight, skies will be clear, just cold. That's what we have to deal with in the morning. Icy conditions, especially secondary roads, bridges, and overpasses. And of course, your driveway. Be extra careful out there. A lot of sunshine for Tuesday. Temperatures moderate to around 40 in the afternoon. Wednesday, there might be a little shower in the morning hours as warmer air comes on into the area. We get up to around 50 degrees during the afternoon. And then we watch late Thursday, our next system coming in. Looks like a little bit of rain Thursday evening, changing over to snow. A somewhat similar scenario to what we saw last night, but nothing nearly as heavy, and that departs by Friday morning. So here's how the forecast goes. Clear skies, icy cold early tomorrow morning in RVA itself, about 17 degrees. Coldest rural areas between about 10 and 15. Lots of sunshine on the way for tomorrow. We start out in the teens, end up about 36 at lunchtime and a high about 40. The breeze will be much lighter, so it will feel even warmer just because of all the wind that we dealt with today. So 40 degrees tomorrow, another cold night tomorrow night. Some outlying areas, especially with this snowpack in place, could be down in the teens again. Up around 50 during the afternoon Wednesday after maybe a morning sprinkle or shower. Thursday night into Friday is a time to watch for a little mix of rain to snow. A cold Friday, the weekend moderates, and maybe a few showers coming up on Sunday. That's the latest on our forecast.